You them no know say I the ninja president's speech. I use them who come fit teach. This is not a dancing song. Just put your sense in calm. How many more nights for a better life? Man, now we come from far and we still a strive. I have nothing, so you wonder how I still survive. I have faith in the Father, so I'm still alive. I don't believe the things I see with my naked eyes. I've been fooled a lot of times, now me realize. So let me follow my instincts and get the prize. I just close my eyes, then I see paradise. I don't trust people, so I don't socialize. I do believe in myself, I don't compromise. Life is complex, yes, you have to scrutinize. So girl, child, it doesn't matter if you cute and nice. Life is full of options, yes, you have to make a choice. But right now, me see some wolf in a sheep disguise. Some other pastors in church, they are antichrist. Be aware of the peers you're getting baptized, because the devil is never going to sympathize. The more you sell your soul, the more you're gonna be victimized. I don't like it when the truth is mystified. Take a look at how the lies are justified. So one lie is as bad as 20 lies. Religion divide the people like cat and mice. Some say King Selassie, some say Buddha, some say Christ. Then me hear some people do it otherwise. So right now me want to talk to the ghetto boys. Never play with your lives like pepper toys. Some places in the night why you enter those, because you think the night is blind, then you're wrong of course. The roughest times of my life, I remember those. Me never break the rules, no me never break the laws. I'm a law-abiding citizen, check records. I've never been convicted, better check reports. So why you say the ghetto youths are too dangerous? I don't want to see no ghetto youth behind the bars. We should be rising to the top, cause we superstars. They never want it when another ghetto youth a bust. Society is like a disease, fighting us. The Almighty from above is uniting us. When I take a look, religion is dividing us. Who job blessed, don't curse in, got me trust. Me African, yes we are the moon to pass. Big up Chaminuka and all of the forefathers. The time's serious and cantankerous. The more they try to fight we are, the more we be victorious. So if you want me to talk, me have to talk from me heart. This is a speech, not a track. We can't be living in the dark. So if you want me to talk, me have to talk from me heart. This is a speech, not a track. We can't be living in the dark.